Today we can discuss a new area known as socialism in Russia. Before 1914, no political parties were allowed in Russia. That means all political parties were illegal in Russia before 1914. In the year 1898, Russian Socialist Democratic Workers' Party was formed by the Russian Socialists. 1898, which party was formed? Russian Socialist Democratic Workers' Party was formed in Russia. They respected Karl Marx's ideas. About Marx and his ideas about socialism, we already discussed in the previous session. So this Socialist Democratic Workers' Party, they respected which idea? The ideas of socialism by Karl Marx. Now, this Socialist Democratic Workers' Party, it had operated an illegal system because of the government policing, it had operated as an illegal system. But this party, it set up a newspaper, it mobilized workers, it organized strikes, it stood for the benefit of the workers. Then some of the Russian socialists, they believed that the Russian peasants' custom of dividing land periodically, that made them as natural socialists. What they believed? Dividing land periodically made them as natural socialist. Then peasants become a peasants became the main force of socialism. What was their belief? Peasants, they become main force of socialist revolution. That they believed. So what they thought? In Russia, peasant system of dividing land periodically made them as what? Natural socialist. Then Russia became a socialist country before or more quickly than other countries. And throughout the late 19th century, these socialists, they were active in the countryside. And in the year 1900, they formed a Socialist Revolutionary Party. And this Socialist Revolutionary Party for the peasants. This party struggled for or it fought for the rights of peasants and also demanded the lands of nobles be transferred to the peasants. So what was the demand? Lands belonging to the nobles be transferred to the peasants. That was their main demand. And they want to become the main force of the revolution. So that was the belief of the peasants. But the social democrats, they were against the socialist revolutionaries. Vladimir Lenin, the leader of Bolshevik party, according to him, peasants were not a united group. According to Vladimir Lenin, peasants were not a united group. What was his opinion? Some peasants were rich, some are poor. So some peasants, they were working, and others, they employed the workers. So some are workers and some peasants were giving job to others as capitalist. So peasants were not a united group according to Lenin. So they could not be operated as socialist. So that was the opinion of Vladimir Lenin. So in which way Lenin differentiate the peasants, rich and the poor, he differentiate the peasants. Then next, the party was divided over the strategy of organization. Next, the Socialist Party was divided over the strategy of organization. There were Bolsheviks and the Mensheviks. Bolshevik party led by Vladimir Lenin. According to Lenin, a Tsarist Russia, it was a repressive society. No, a repressive society like Tsarist Russia, the party should be disciplined and should control the number and the quality of its members. So what was his opinion? A repressive society like Tsarist Russia, the Bolshevik party should be disciplined and should control the number and members of its members. But the other party, the others, Mensheviks, they thought that party should be open to all. Like in Germany, the Menshevik, they thought party should be open to all. So here we are going to conclude our topic socialism in Russia. So dear students, two difference between this Bolsheviks and two difference between socialist democrats and the socialist revolutionaries. Socialist Democratic Workers Party stood for the benefit of the workers. And what they thought, they were against the socialist revolutionaries. Socialist Revolutionary Party stood for the Russian peasants. They worked for the benefit of Russian workers. They fought for the rights of the Russian peasants, and also what was their idea? Land belonging to the nobles should be transferred to the peasants. And this Socialist Democratic Workers Party was against it. And last we discussed, that this Vladimir Lenin, he differentiated the peasants as rich and poor. And according to him, this Socialist Revolutionary Party or the peasants, they were divided into two groups. That is why it could not be a major force of a Russian revolution. So dear students, we can conclude our topic here. Thank you.